One of the big challenges when you're on a cruise anywhere is having lunch, because you want to have something that's local and authentic, but it also should be fast, and you don't want to end up at a 2-hour lunch because you only have a few hours in port. In each port, I'll try to give you a few strategies for that. It's really easy in Spain because they have this wonderful tapas culture. You can just walk into a bar. A lot of Barcelona bars they would call them Basque-style bars, where they actually have a nice sort of smorgasbord laid out on the counter of different tapas. A lot of times they'll have a toothpick in each one. You can actually just help yourself, take the ones you want, and then at the end the bartender just counts your toothpick, and he charges you €1 or €2 for each one. You can pay your bill and be on the way. If you do this, it might take 15 or 20 minutes to have a really good, filling, local meal that's totally authentic. The temptation, I know, is to drop into the McDonald's and grab a hamburger, but for the same amount of time and maybe a little bit more money, in most cases, you can challenge yourself to do a little bit better, and in Spain, it's tapas bars. If you want to have a nice meal in Italy, not just Florence, but really anywhere in Italy, again, you don't have to spend 2 hours at a 5-course lunch. You can just stop off at a cute little neighborhood trattoria and have a plate of salumi and maybe some antipasti, some pickled vegetables, this sort of thing, with some people watching. That's a great half-hour lunch. You've had a great authentic experience. You've seen the world go by for a half hour, and you still have a lot of time left for your sightseeing.